When it comes to upgrading your Dallas home's curb appeal, every detail counts. Whether you're preparing your home for sale or simply looking to refresh its look, the right windows can make a dramatic difference. One window style that is often overlooked but offers significant aesthetic and functional benefits is the awning window. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, typically with a simple crank mechanism. This design not only adds a unique architectural element to your home but also enhances its overall look and functionality. In this article, we'll explore how awning windows can elevate your home's curb appeal, providing you with both beauty and practicality. Distinctive aesthetic appeal. One of the key benefits of installing awning windows is the distinctive appearance they bring to your home. Unlike traditional window styles, such as double-hung or casement windows, awning windows create a more modern and dynamic look. Their top-hinged design makes them stand out from standard window styles, adding visual interest to your home's exterior. Elegant and sleek, awning windows provide a clean, streamlined look, which works well with a variety of architectural styles, from modern to traditional. Their minimalist design can complement the overall style of your home, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication without overwhelming other elements of the exterior. Ideal for unique spaces. Awning windows are perfect for high wall placements, such as in kitchen areas, bathrooms, or attics. Because they open outward from the top, they can be installed in places where traditional windows might be challenging. This unique feature helps create an artistic balance that enhances your home's design while still providing functionality. Maximizing natural light. Awning windows are an excellent choice if you want to bring more natural light into your home. The wide glass panels of an awning window allow sunlight to pour into your living space, brightening the room and making it feel more open and airy. Daylight optimization. The ability of awning windows to let in a lot of light while remaining securely closed adds to their appeal, especially in rooms with high ceilings or tight spaces. They create a connection with the outdoors, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Their larger glass area allows for expansive views of your landscaping or the surrounding neighborhood. Light control. Because awning windows open from the top, they allow you to adjust the amount of sunlight coming in, providing you with control over the natural light in your home. This makes them especially useful in rooms where you want to keep a space bright but without the harsh glare that often comes from direct sunlight. Improved ventilation and airflow. Another major benefit of awning windows is their ability to enhance ventilation and airflow. The outward opening design allows them to catch even the smallest breeze, helping to naturally cool and ventilate your home, especially in Dallas' hot summer months. Effective airflow. Since awning windows open outward from the top, they allow air to enter while keeping rain, debris, and dust out. This is particularly useful for homeowners who live in areas that receive frequent showers or wind gusts. Awning windows can be open even during a light rain, providing fresh air without the worry of water entering your home. Fresh and comfortable home environment. The constant flow of fresh air that comes from properly ventilated windows can improve your home's overall comfort, reducing the reliance on air conditioning during cooler days. This can contribute to lower energy bills and a more environmentally friendly home. Increased privacy and security. The awning windows also offer an added level of privacy and security. Because these windows open outward and are hinged at the top, they are more difficult to access from the outside than traditional windows. This makes them a secure option for ground-level windows or areas where privacy is important, such as bathrooms or bedrooms. Top hinged design. The top hinged design makes it harder for intruders to open the window from the outside. The outward opening also prevents people from peering inside, offering more privacy for rooms that face busy streets or other properties. Great for vulnerable areas. Awning windows are especially useful in areas where you want to maintain a high level of privacy, such as lower levels or corner rooms that may be exposed to public spaces. They add both beauty and peace of mind. Versatility and customization. Another reason why awning windows are a fantastic addition to your Dallas home's curb appeal is their versatility. They can be used in various configurations to complement both large windows and small spaces. Groupings and pairings. Awning windows look great when paired with other window styles, such as picture windows or fixed windows, creating a unique combination that maximizes both light and airflow. You can also choose to install multiple awning windows together in a horizontal row for a larger, unified look. Custom fit. Because of their compact and flexible design, awning windows can be installed in areas with specific size constraints, making them ideal for smaller spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, or loft areas. Whether you want to accentuate your home's architecture or create more functional spaces, awning windows offer the customization you need. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In addition to their aesthetic and functional benefits, awning windows are also energy efficient. Their tight seals and ability to stay closed even during mild rain help maintain your home's thermal efficiency. This means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to energy savings. Efficient seal. The way awning windows close tightly when shut prevents air leaks, making it easier to maintain an ideal temperature in your home without losing heat in the winter or cool air in the summer. Conclusion. Awning windows are a smart investment for homeowners in Dallas looking to enhance both the functionality and curb appeal of their homes. Whether you are looking to improve your home's aesthetic with a sleek, modern look, bring in more natural light, increase ventilation, or boost privacy and security, awning windows offer a unique and versatile solution that meets all of these needs. Their ability to perform in all weather conditions, coupled with their energy efficiency, makes them a perfect choice for homeowners who want a stylish, practical, and durable window option. By choosing awning windows, you're adding value, comfort, and a modern touch to your Dallas home.